BMW Museum. Oh, it's open. Let's go. So your mom won't have to bring me here. I've been here. Ayan, pamangkin ko, yung naka-brown. Pinag-bike niya ako ng 30 minutes para makarating dito sa BMW Museum. Imagine, ang sakit ng mga hita ko. Nag-bike ako ng 30 minutes para makarating dito. Hindi man lang ako pinagsakay ng train at isakay ang bike. Sabi niya, no, literally magbabike tayo papunta doon. Imagine, ang sakit ng mga legs ko. Ayan. Pasyal kami ni Judah dito sa BMW Museum. Go walk. You go walking. Ayan, pamangkin ko yan. Dinala niya ako dito sa museum nang nakabike. Hindi man lang ako pinagsakay ng train, pinagbike niya ako talaga. Literally, this is the Welcome to Mini BMW Museum. Oh! Ang ganda. What do you call this, Judah?
The name is like over here. Wait.
This is
Here.
BMW iX-M70 Drive. Dito po tayo ngayon sa BMW Museum dito sa Germany at kasama kong aking pamangkin para i-video ito. I-video ang aking experience dito sa BMW Museum, guys. Lahat ng ito nakikita nyo ay lahat ay BMW na sasakyan dahil ito ay museum ng mga BMW cars. Charge play. So with BMW, you can charge and you can play. Look over here, over there, everywhere. It pays to have a videographer. Look at these cars, guys. This is the M2 area. Area M. Amazing. Only rich people can buy BMW cars.
Okay.
We are literally buying from a robot machine. Literally buying coffee. What did you take? What did you take?
Tea.
Saan ko in the video? Kita nyo naman yan. Makina lang ang naggagawa ng inumin.
Those are really
Cool.
those are really very nice machines.
Oh. Nice. Robot na lang. Where's yours? Where's mine?
This one. Yes, yes.
Take that one, the one there, the one for you. I wanna go sa bathroom. I wanna take my shirt inside. It's too hot already.
Okay. Yay.
Because it's tea, literally tea.
I know.
Turn off the video and take a picture of me.
Wait.
Hindi na kami libaki si Sweetheart. Yung bike ya kami dos para aquí na museum. Antes anda na park. Ito el coffee machine oh. Robot el coffee machine. This is the BMW museum, guys. They're all BMW. Of course it will be. It's a museum. Ayan, tayo ay babiyahe na ulit. Aalis na tayo dito sa BMW Museum. Another 26 minutes bike ride to reach our destination. First time ever.